Cheesy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today I really had the hankering for some homemade chocolate chip cookies. But because I'm me and I have to put cheesecake in everything, we're going to make some chocolate chip thumbprint cookies. You know those cookies that you bake them and then while they're still warm, you stick your thumbprint in there and let that indent kind of cool and then fill them with, they're usually filled with jam or sometimes chocolate. But today we're going to fill them with a very simple cheesecake filling. It's just some cream cheese and some granulated sugar mixed up. So let's get started. So I already have my two kinds of sugars and my butter in the bowl of my stand mixer. And this is gonna be on the mixer on about medium speed for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Alright, so now we're gonna add in our egg. Oh! Let's try that again. Any eggshell? Hey, I consider that a win. Only one eggshell in there. Alright, we're gonna put a sieve over the bowl, and sprinkle in our flour. We want to make sure that we sift this so that all the flour is light and fluffy so that our cookies come out that way. So now we're just going to stick this dough into our fridge for about 20 minutes just to get it kind of chilled, just so that they don't spread too much in the oven. That's how you get flatter, crispier cookies, and I want them to be fluffy and chewy and have some body to them. So I'm just getting enough cookie dough to fill the cookie scoop, and then I'm rolling that into a ball and flattening it out just a little bit just to help it not pop up so much in the oven. It doesn't have any baking powder in it, so it shouldn't pop up too much, but this just helps it out. Alright, so these were in the oven for 10 minutes on 350. While they're hot, we're just going to take the back of our cookie scoop or the back of a spoon, whichever you would like, and just make a bit of an indent. And now we're just going to leave those until they're slightly warm, and then we'll put in the cream cheese filling. So now these have had time to cool, so now I'm going to fill the indent with some of our cream cheese mixture. So last up, I just have some melted chocolate in a piping bag. I'm just going to drizzle half of these. So there you have it. Chocolate chip thumbprint cookies. If you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something, please give it a like down below. And subscribe to the channel if you would like to learn more things, make more messes, and make some absolutely delicious desserts with me. Thanks guys. Bye.